Hello everyone. Recently I bought a Magpul Maglink Coupler for my AR, and it's pretty easy. Got two screws. Pretty easy to install. It's all it is the two pieces and two screws. Flatheads. The only thing I didn't pay attention to when I ordered it is, if you can see that, Pro Mag 30 or 40, and I really don't use a lot of Pro Mag. I like, for ARs, I like the metal, or whatever they are, aluminum, steel magazines, but these do not work with the steel magazines. They don't line up in the grooves at all. They're just for Pro Mag. The only Pro magazines I have are these. They're kind of ugly, a little beat up and ugly, but anyways, so these it's got the grooves here. They line up with these grooves. You see that? Just kind of snap in. There is one side that goes to one side. So that just kind of lines up in there, like that. The other one, pretty much same thing, just like that. Cover goes on. Just like that. Pretty easy. Put your two screws in. There you have it. Very, very easy to install. I just wish I would have paid attention that they were only for Pro Mag. Like I said, these are the only two Pro Mags I have. All my other magazines are the steels. And I did try it. It does not work with them. I got this from Gun Mag Warehouse for $15.99. I'm gonna look and see if they have the one for the steel instead. But it seems to be a pretty nice fit on the Pro Mags. Fits nice and tight on there. I'm gonna try it out on an AR. I had it up a little too high. I had to lower it down. I had it up here. It was hitting. I didn't really think about that, but it's all good now. It's empty. Is it good? The only thing I did notice is when it's in this one, it rubs on the dust cover. I think it'll still work, but it is rubbing on that. Makes it a little harder to get out. This side works great. No problems. Comes out easy. Like I said, this side here, it rubs on that dust cover a little bit. Magpul Maglink Coupler, $15.99 at Gun Mag Warehouse. Thank you.